guys, guess what I got? More shoes. So let's unbox it. They're Vans old school. Yellow school. Yes, in all white. There it is. Vans old school. Yep. Got the auto white finally. Took 700 years. Been wearing all old schools for a while, so yeah. Look at them. They're so clean. They get ruined in like 3 days, but it's fine. All right. Just a quick video unboxing. Didn't take that long. There's a paper wrap. All right, and here's just paper wrapping. I always keep paper wrapping for my shoes. All right, let me go get the other shoes. I'll be right back. So here's what they look like next to the old schools. If you guys remember, I made a video on these slip-ons a year ago. I got these for Christmas, and I got these for my birthday. Yay! All right, whatever. So I'm gonna have an issue keeping these clean because usually people get Air Force Ones in all white, but the difference between these and Air Force Ones are made of leather. They're gonna be easier because leather just wipes everything off. These are cloth, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to clean. So welcome back to Dirty Nation, because they're only gonna last for 3 days, I think, and then they're gonna be going to look like almost black color. I mean, you've seen the pictures of online of white old schools. They're not gonna look at this for long, but you know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. So here's what they look like on my feet. Thanks. Bye.